Official look of the Nike Air Max 1000 Oatmeal confirm a wider release is on the horizon, following early all-red pairs seen at select events. Designed in collaboration with 3D printed footwear brand Zellerfeld, already partnered with Nike through RTFKT, the shoe showcases a futuristic twist on the classic Air Max silhouette. Crafted as a true one-piece, the design traces the iconic wavy contours using advanced printing techniques. A textured, pocked surface dominates the lower half, subtly referencing filament-based printing processes. At the heel, an embossed Air logo pays homage to past models like the Air Max TN. While the muted oatmeal hue recalls minimalist designs from winter, a vivid orange air bubble in the heel adds a pop of color. The Nike Air Max 1000 Oatmeal is slated to launch in summer or fall 2025, with a retail price of $210, continuing the legacy of innovation within the Air Max family.